Welcome back to AI for the Humanities. I'm Meghan McInnis-Domínguez, Associate Professor of Spanish at the University of Delaware, and this channel is your go-to resource for exploring the intersection of generative AI and humanities education. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation with Runway. AI tools are revolutionizing the way we engage with media, and Runway's video generator is at the forefront, making it easier than ever to produce high-quality AI-generated visuals. Whether you're a digital humanities scholar, an educator looking to enhance course materials, or a creative experimenting with new storytelling techniques, Runway opens up exciting possibilities. To walk us through how it works, we're joined by our intern, Dylan Manin, who will demo the tool and explore its potential applications in the humanities. Let's get started.
Alrighty, welcome to AI for the Humanities. My name is Dylan Manin, and I'm hereby presenting to you today Runway AI. Um, so first, what is Runway? Runway is an AI-powered, obviously, creative suite, which revolutionizes multimedia content, and it mainly focuses on video, image, and audio generations. So, for filmmakers, for educators, digital artists, content creators, where it provides a ton of AI-driven environment for high quality environment or production, sorry. And it offers an extensive suite of over 30 AI tools specifically, which I mentioned earlier, a few of them, text to video, text to audio, can edit videos, it can synthesize audio, and it has a ton of really interesting post-production features. And one of the coolest strengths of Runway is the ability to turn text prompts into fully animated video sequences, which is what we're going to take a look at just in a couple moments here. So this allows video creators to quickly animate their words and their writing into cinematic visuals without advanced technical skills. So additionally, Runway's technology enables users to remove objects from prior filmed sequences, like takes as well. So, inputting your own type of video can be easily edited through text in Runway. Like as if you were on Adobe Premiere, or like some program like After Effects. So the platform also provides tools for motion tracking, 3D texture generation, and an interactive AI-driven filmmaking, which opens up a ton of different possibilities for whatever type of film the user wants to make. So, what we're going to dive into today is a video generation based on a photo that we're going to do, and we can see how creative we can get with it. So let's hop right into it. We're going to go into generate video, and what you can do is go ahead and name the session so you can return to it later. We'll name this test one. And what I've already got in store for us here is an image that I have in my computer. And I have the Alhambra, which is in the south of Spain in Granada. Um, and what I thought we could do here is, this is just the sizing. This is pretty self-explanatory here. What I thought we can do um, is we're going to describe that we want Runway to try and depict the Alhambra as if it were in 1942 before the Spanish had taken over the Moorish rule. So let's say to Runway, depict the Alhambra as if it were 1942, I mean 1492, buzzing with Moors and life were as if before the Spanish rule. Okay, I actually haven't tried this prompt yet, so let's see what we can get here. Um, so since it's in queue because we're not in a um, an upgraded version of this, I'll go ahead and move on a little bit into what I have in store topics. So, putting in prompts into Runway is a great way to storytell. You can bring concepts to life, and you won't even need these editing skills. Let's see what we get here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Interesting. So, definitely an interesting video we got there. Um, as I was going into um, a bit of my research in Runway, I did discover that in order to make the video production very clear, like yeah, there for example, we can go into some of its errors. You could see like these two guys are phasing into each other here. You see, you see these guys are just sprinting across the screen until they get into like the middle area, right? And then they kind of phase back over here, and we have these guys. He turns into, like he has different color hair, but um, yeah, more or less, it takes a little bit of fooling around um, to get a video from an image. Um, but to put in a video prior and then to edit it, I did find that that was a bit more easier, um, like restoration wise, and editing the background of images and text. So let's go let's go back and let's go into generate image, um, and let's see if oh, I guess I used up my credits. Well, um, awesome. Let me just move on to what I had had else to say here. Um, so I really want to touch base on how Runway can be used in a school setting and educational setting, especially in applications in humanities education. So instead of per se traditional essays, students can create short AI generated films, exploring topics in literature, history, or philosophy. And I think that Runway is a great tool for introducing students to AI literacy. And faculty can use it to facilitate discussions on digital media ethics, such as deepfakes and impact of AI on creative industries. And then for historical research, Runway helps in restoring old images, enhancing visual archives, and making content for digital products. And I feel like with AI, so up and coming, and you hear about China's new, um, I think it's called DeepSeek, and how the U.S. is thinking about banning it. It's very important that especially students, but the population are aware of what AI can cause. It can cause political discrepancy. It can cause confusion amongst events. Are they real? Are they not real? And I feel like it's extremely important um, for everyone, especially in an educational setting, to check with multiple sources, to look at things closely, to not jump the gun, and to just make sure that you are confident with your source of your news and your information. Um, but yeah, that's my take on ethics within AI for the humanities, and especially Runway. You know, maybe somebody pretends that AI is a real film that they've made, is a real shot that they've taken, and it's very important that it's used for the right causes. So concluding here, Runway is way more than just a video editing tool. It's a bridge, in my opinion, between AI and creative expression and education and professional filmmaking. And I think whether you're a student, whether to add, looking to add a visual component to your work or an audio component, maybe creating an image, and maybe you're just a content creator exploring, AI assisted storytelling, it really opens up endless possibilities. Um, Runway does. And if you're interested in experimenting with AI tools in your own projects, I encourage you to try it out. Um, the paid version is a little bit more extensive than the unpaid, but I definitely have my fun. Um, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you enjoy. Thank you. Take care.
That was a fascinating look at Runway and its capabilities. Thank you, Dylan, for the demo. As AI-generated video content continues to evolve, it raises important questions for humanities scholars about authorship, creativity, and the role of AI in storytelling. While tools like Runway offer incredible opportunities for content creation, they also challenge us to think critically about the ethical and artistic implications of machine-generated media. As always, the goal of AI for the humanities is to explore these technologies while keeping human insight at the center of the conversation. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning how AI is shaping our world.
Step into the scene, let the pixels flow. Dylan's got the magic, watch the stories grow. AI paints the picture frame by frame, but the human touch still calls the game. From history to poetry, let's animate the past. Runway's got the motion, but will the meaning last? Lights, camera, AI action, bringing stories to life with digital passion. It's a new way to see, a new way to dream, but the heart of the story is still human, it seems. Old myths reborn in a neon glow. Shakespeare in motion, watch the verses flow. Classroom vision, cinematic sparks, turning research into living art. From history to poetry, let's animate the past. Runway's got the motion, but will the meaning last? Lights, camera, AI action, bringing stories to life with digital passion. It's a new way to see, a new way to dream, but the heart of the story is still human, it seems. Myths reborn in a neon glow. Shakespeare in motion, watch the verses flow. Classroom vision, cinematic sparks, turning research into living art. From history to poetry, let's animate the past. Runway's got the motion, will the meaning last? Lights, camera, AI action, bringing stories to life with digital passion. It's a new way to see, a new way to dream, but the heart of the story is still human, it seems. Oh no, it seems. Still human, it seems. Oh no, it seems. Not just a gimmick, it's a brand new stage where scholars and artists can break the cage. AI's the brush, but we hold the hand, guiding the stories across the land. Runway's rolling, the show's begun. Dylan's here to show how it's done. Blend the past with a text so bright, but keep the soul in the stories light.